Alright, Assalamualaikum and greetings. So we are from YouTube. We are responsible to discuss about vinyl bag. So our group is consists of Haril, Mahfud, Sidik, and last is me, Jonathan. So our video presentation will conclude with several contents, which is first production, second is consumption, third is waste management, fourth is environmental impact, and the last is suggestion and reflection. So what is vinyl bag? Before we continue to vinyl banners are a common source of waste, but with the help of modern recycling technique, they can be transformed into durable and long-lasting bags. And by using recycled materials, these bags help reduce the amount of waste that end up in landfills and conserve valuable resources. And they also have a smaller carbon footprint than traditional bags made from new materials. The use of these recycled vinyl bags is highly beneficial for both the environment and the economy of the makers, as the local municipality will provide wages for homemakers as workers and will purchase the bags at retail price. So, how they produce the vinyl bag? Usually, the resources is used from unused banner that can be found later on the street. And the methods to create these vinyl bags is usually first they will collect the used vinyl banners, and this can be done through programs run by local councils such as MBPJ or by companies that specialize in recycling and repurposing waste materials. Second is sorting. So the collected banners are sorted by type, color, and quality to ensure that they are suitable for use. And the last is cutting and sewing. The sheets are cut into the appropriate shape and size for the bags and then sewn together to form the finished product. So the current usage from the waste, which is unused banner, is first the vinyl bag, second is pencil case, third is shoe bag, and the last is usually they will use it to create floor mats.
Hello, my name is Hadul Tarubiawan Rahmat, and I'm gonna talk about consumption. First is material issue. PC is cannot be breathable. Additionally, when the bags reach the end of their life, they can take hundreds of years to decompose in the environment. And the second, some of the chemicals used in the production of vinyl bags can be toxic and may pose a health risk if they leach into the environment or if they come into contact with food or other items. Second, we're going to talk about commercial value. First is environmental friendly. Generally, vinyl bags are considered low cost, but eco-friendly and high-quality bags can command a premium price. Second is one of the best solutions to reuse banner. And lastly, support the plastic-free campaign by offering upcycle bags as alternative. The commercial value is influenced by the quality of material and construction, design and branding, and demand for eco-friendly products. And the next is storage and collection. The banner itself is collected from illegal pieces and those with expired advertising license. And they usually stored in dry place. And the next is waste management. In Malaysia, MBPG collaborate with mother in Taman Medan, providing them with 4 sewing machines. They are not only given the machine but also receive a 2-week training program by MBPJ. The process can be sorted as follows. First is collection and sorting, shredding, cleaning, and the cutting and finishing. Next, we're going to talk about the cost and benefit. The cost is guaranteed low cost. This item is very cheap because it's only required to the trade to show the banner into a product, and the banner is provided by MBPJ. First, we're going to talk about the benefit. First is to reduce waste from unused banner. Repurposing waste materials such as vinyl banners into new products helps reduce the amount of waste that end up in landfill. Second, to supporting plastic-free movement. Repurposing waste material into new products such as vinyl bags from vinyl banners can be seen as form of support for the plastic-free movement. And lastly, to open a new job opportunities. Producing vinyl bags from unused banner can have positive impact on employment by creating new job opportunities and improving the skill and employability of workers.
Hi and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Mahfoud. I'm glad to present the environment impact of vanilla badge. As you can see here in the slide, carbon footprinting is the total amount of gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, that are generated by our actions. So when we do recycling for plastic advertisement boards into vinyl badge, will reduce those gases. Also, when we recycle this kind of materials, will help to keep the green spaces as we don't have to make many areas for dumping. In the next slide, moreover, when we do this kind of recycling, we reduce the soil and water pollution as the plastic will reduce the soil quality and will make the water for the rivers and the seas unclean. So we will save the aquatic life. So of course we will reduce the demand on the natural resources as there are many companies don't care about recycling, but it is really important to keep the circular economy ongoing.
Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Siddiq bin Nora Azwa. We will present to you the suggestion and reflection of our study about the vinyl bag. So, in this generation of an era where all people are promoting their product everywhere around, even on the street all around the world, and every year, millions of banners are printed and only used for a period of time before it will be discarded. So, and it will be discarded into the landfill. So, for not wasting all the banners into the landfill, we can recycle all of it into the other product such as the vinyl bag. It needs to be more promoted to all the people uh, for the advantage of the recycling the unused banners. For example, it can be produced of a low cost bag with many design and also can get a job opportunities for all of us. For the unused banners, it produce a PVC which have a much of toxic chemical. That is why it needs to be recycled in order to prevent from releasing its harmful chemical. Even though PVC can only be recycled once, but nevertheless, it somehow can reduce the amount of wasted banners all around the world. So that is all from us for the vinyl bag. Thank you.